Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, this video on today has been a long time coming, but me being the extra person that I am, in this particular case, I'm just going to call myself thorough, okay? It took a little while because I wanted to present you with options, okay? Now, this particular video, as you saw in the title, is about brows. We want to make sure you can create your best brow. Now, it does not mean you have to do it like somebody else, because not everybody's face is shaped the same. Okay, now the curve of my brow may make somebody else look like they are scowling, okay? But for me, I feel like this is the best look for me. I am a glasses wearer and my glasses are larger. I want my brows to be seen above my glasses, okay? So this is the reason why I do it this way. I have tried it others, but this seems to be what worked best for me. So in this particular video, you're going to see 3 methods of me doing my brows, okay? Now, I want you to know I listed everything that I used to do my brows, and all of them except for one, minus the powder to set them, okay? Just remember, at the end of each one, the brows are always set with gel, and then I take and I put a powder underneath, okay? So that me using my concealer stays in place. It's not moving all over the place. So if I start to sweat, it drips off or soaks into my skin. Now, the one thing that I did forget to use, it's on the last method, and that is with the powder method. Now, what did I miss? It's a brow wax, okay? So before I use the powder on my brows, I put down a brow wax, okay? I need something for it to really adhere to so it stays in place, okay? Doesn't do me any good to seal it on the top if it was never attached to anything on the bottom, okay? So just so you know. Now, the other 2 methods, I used a dip brow pomade, okay, and a pencil, okay? So those are the 3 methods that you are going to see in this video. This is the only talking you're going to hear. I did not talk through these videos. We're going to have some music playing for you, okay? Now, not only do I show you what my brows look like at the end of, each application, but I do show what the final look was like, okay, so that you can see. All right, so I do hope that you enjoy this video. Now, I do have another method. If you want to see it, let me know. And that is to show you how to actually use a brow stencil, okay? I did that too in the beginning, but I'm kind of a control freak, and so I want to be able to make sure it's exactly the way I want it to be, hence the reason why it's kind of done freehand now. But if you'd like to see a stencil video, just put stencil down below and I'll know what you mean, and we'll go ahead and we'll do a brow stencil video. It won't take as long, for me to accumulate the 3 different methods. It's just about the stencil, okay? So if that's what you want, by all means, I'll be more than happy to put that up for you, okay? So I thank you so very much for your patience, yet impatience, with regards to waiting on this video. And please let me know your thoughts down below, okay? enjoyed this video. Try to make sure everything was included. Now, when you saw completion times on the bottom, that was for me to do both brows, not one, but to do both brows in real time, okay? So that is what that means on the bottom, okay? Each of the looks that were completed, I hope that you enjoyed them, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.